Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I can show you one website where we can create a very high quality indexable article submission backlink. So the website name is SEOperarticles.com. So this is a website dashboard, so you guys can see this is a featured blogs. So suppose that if you guys can publish any article on that website, so it should be going to index on this website, and also you guys can drive traffic from this site on your website. Okay, and you guys can also build your brand building and your personal brand building also. Okay, so before that we can discuss something about that website. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 66, and according to Moz, the domain authority 54 in the and the spam score is 6%. And according to SimilarWeb, this website drawing 53.7k visitors total traffic, and the mostly traffic from India, USA, UK, Turkey and Pakistan. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you're wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand building from that kind of countries, so must you guys have to create your backlink on that website. Okay, so we have completed our research process, so now we can start. Before that, if you are new on this channel, so please hit the subscribe and like button. Okay, so now we can start. So you guys can see there is a login button. You guys can click over there, and register button. So there you guys can add your name. So my name is Prav Yadav. There you guys cannot going to use a brand name because it's going to reject your profile. Okay, and after that you guys can add your email address, then you guys can choose your password, you can choose your country, then you guys can add your website URL. So suppose that this is my website URL dmltraining.com, and there you can add author bio, and there you guys can choose your profile picture and you guys can verify your captcha, and you can click for the complete registration. Okay, so there is still email already is registered in our database. Social clean traffic, so this email is already registered. So what we can do, photo should be JPG format. So we have any JPG image, PNG. In the all images I'm having are in. Okay, and the next thing is we can going to use a different email ID. So for the different email ID, what I can do, so I can going to use a temp email generator, tempemail.org. so I can going to open this tool. From there we can going to pick a temporary email. So if you guys haven't idea what is this website, so from there you guys can get temporary emails. So simply you guys can click to copy clipboard, and I can going to paste it in the email section, and I can verify the captcha, click for the complete registration button. I guess everything is correct, you are successfully registered. And what we can do, so they can go to send you a verification email. Yeah, so super article, I guess this one is email. So you guys can verify your profile. So we have successfully activated our account. So what you guys can do next, so after that you guys can see where it is, login now. Okay, and you guys can click to login button, and you haven't published article yet, click here to submit your first article. So you guys can simply click over there. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. And if I can go to my account and whether I have added view your public profile page, so you guys can see this is my website's name in the description section where I have added. So already we gained backlink from this website. So but this is a no follow, so not an issue. So popular, my account, blog, logout, and where is by default article submission. Okay, so we can go back, click here to submit your article, and you guys can choose your category. So category is, my category is employment, human resource. Okay, so actually in this websites there is a requirement to you guys can at least publish 850 words to 6000 word. Your articles character limit should be, it should be your article character limits above 850 character words. So I don't have right now articles, so I'm just going to use a duplicate article from my websites. But for your case, you guys can 100% generate a fresh article, and you guys can go to, after that you guys can go to publish on this website, because this is authoritative websites, and your backlink should be going to index as well on this website. So that's why you guys can consider quality backlink for this site. Okay, so my title is, article title is virtual interview, and there you guys can add at least 2 keywords: video, video interview software, art. Okay, so sorry, there you guys can add your article summary, but there you guys can add your at least your keywords. At least you guys can add 2+ keywords. So now we can start. So first what we can do, we can going to add a summary of this article. So I can going to just copy the conclusion I have added. So from there now I can start adding my article. How to prevent, so you guys can make it heading so you guys can optimize your article headings and the accessible information. So you guys can add your overall content. So conclusion, it should be H2 tag. lack of training, it should be a H2. Lack of access, advance of real time capturing, and what is a word count? So I think 1,000 words. So this is article length is 1,000 word. Author signature, so if I'm having, then I'm going to add a author signature, but right now I haven't. So what I can do, so next step is, so okay, so if you wanting to add anywhere your hyperlinking, okay, there is a option. So okay, let me cancel it. Yeah, from there you guys can insert video conferencing, video interview, virtual interview. So I can select this keyword. For this keyword I can going to add my index page, hyperlink for my index page. So there you guys can insert virtual interview software. And you guys can click for the insert button. If you're wanting to, you can make it a bold. And the next is, so next is digital accessibility. Let me search once. Digital accessible, yeah. So I can go to internal link my article and click for the insert button. So I have added total 2 URLs, and there is any option to we can insert image something now, and you guys can verify your captcha, you can confirm the terms and condition, then after that you can click for the submit button. And thank you for submitting article to Super Articles. Our editor will review your article and send you an email regarding your article status shortly. So this website take a couple of time to approve your article, so you guys can submit your fresh article on that website. So I guess I have shared with you all the details how you guys will publish your article and what is the process about the article submission on that website. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. So from there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys are new on this channel or if you guys are haven't subscribed the channel, so it's a humble request to you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay yaar, bye bye and take care.